everyone, this is Onyxangel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get your DX Diag. Sometimes when a company gets is doing tech support, they might ask you for your DX Diag. I've even been known to ask for that in Deaderpool's support team, or like, because I need to know what your computer specs are for whatever reason. So this is how you would do it. This is in Windows. I am not sure if this works for Mac or not, but I will link a Discord in the description below for Mac support in regards of like the Sims 4 mods. So if you need any help that deals with the Mac, you can post in there. Okay, so first we are going to select the Start button, which is actually, it looks like a little, let me move this down. Okay, you see right here in the lower left hand corner, it looks like a little window. That's your Windows icon. So you open that up, just clicking on that, and then you would enter DX Diag into the search bar on the taskbar. Then you would select, you see where it says DX Diag, run command, select that. Okay, then it opens that up. So in the tool, you would just basically save all information. It saves it, and right now it's just collecting information. Sometimes this might need to take a couple minutes or whatever, but just bear with it, let it do its thing. And then you save it. Like, I normally save them onto my desktop or in a documents folder somewhere. Save it wherever you know you will find it. Like here, it says DX Diag. So I actually have a troubleshooting document, so I would basically just save it there. And then when, and if someone in Deaderpool's support team ever asks you for it or whatever, then you could just like push this little X right here, or this little like add files, and go to documents, wherever you have it, and then just save it. Add a comment or whatever if you need to. But that is how you would give us or other people, like if Electronic Arts asked you for your DX Diag, you would upload it to your support ticket with them. Same thing with Blizzard. No matter who asks you for it, this is how you would get your DX Diag. If you have any questions or you find it confusing at all, please, by all means, let me know. I will do my best to help you. Do keep in mind, though, that sometimes I have a hard time explaining things in a written setting, so if I'm confusing you, let me know, and I will be glad to do like another video that explains it or answers your question. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my video. And as always, if you like my video, please feel free to hit like, subscribe, share.